Hi, I'm Linda Matthews, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make an easy mini junk journal using my mini junk journal template. This type of mini junk journal is made using one sheet of paper and folded in a creative way to make a mini journal with a front and back cover and 6 inner pages. They're perfect to use as embellishments in your larger junk journals by tucking them into a pocket. This template includes 2 files, one for the front and back cover and the inside pages, and one for the junk journal elements. It comes in 2 styles, one with a vintage style border and one without, which gives you a clean finish once cut. To use the template, open the file in a photo editing or graphic design program. I'm using Photoshop Elements. This is the template for the cover and the inside pages. Then open a digital paper such as a pattern or a plain texture or some other type of decorative paper background. This is one of the printable papers from the latest Junk Journal Printables Club Kit, which features lovely dragonflies. To use the template, move the background paper onto a layer below the template. You can do this using commands from the main menu. Select All, Edit Copy. Then click on the template document and select Edit Paste. Or simply drag the file onto the template using your mouse. Then drag the patterned layer underneath the template layer. You can see that the template automatically creates all the pages. Now I'm going to add a different paper to use for the front and back covers. Place the paper on a layer underneath the template but above the pages layer. Then resize it using the resizing handles so that it fits inside the 2 bottom right sections, which is for the front and back cover. Once the cover and pages are designed, save the file in JPEG format so that you can print it out. As well as pages with patterns or decorative images, you can also use this template to make a mini notebook with lined pages. I'm once again using the one-page mini journal cover and pages template and adding a paper texture background. I'm adding a different template which has straight lines on top of the paper texture. For the cover, I'm again using one of the printables from this month's Junk Journal Printables Club. The template for the elements and ephemera for the mini junk journal includes pockets, cards, tags, and other small elements that you can use in your mini journal. For the junk journal elements, you can use one background paper or several background papers to segment each of the different elements. To use multiple papers, just be sure to position them underneath the template layer. Then you can rotate and resize them to fit the element. To resize, use the resizing handles, then position beneath the element. If a background paper overlaps onto another section, add a layer mask by clicking the layer mask icon, then brush over the unwanted area. Using a layer mask and brushing using the colour black will conceal the overlap. After you've finished designing, print the pages out. The cover and pages should be printed on good quality copy paper about 24 pound in weight, which is slightly thicker than standard copy paper. The elements and ephemera should be printed on a lightweight cardstock around 65 pound weight. Using a lightweight cardstock will prevent the pieces from tearing. Then cut the pieces out. To assemble the mini journal, fold the page into 8 sections. Fold the paper lengthways and press a fold down the middle. Fold the paper widthways, press a fold down the middle, and then fold the ends over toward the centerfold. Once the paper is creased, fold it in half widthways and cut along the centre fold to the next fold. Fold the paper lengthways and, holding the edges, push the paper so the centre section pops open. Then fold the outer sections over to form a booklet. To finish, I like to glue my pages together so they don't flop open and it looks more like a mini journal or notebook. If there are any white bits showing around the edges, trim them away with a pair of scissors or apply some ink using a stamp pad and applicator. To finish off the mini junk journal, attach and insert the elements onto the pages. To assemble the pockets, fold in the tabs and apply some double-sided tape or a tape runner and glue in place on the pages. You can attach ribbons through the holes in the tags and add other embellishments such as hand stitching.